Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Students, friends, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Today I am going to give you the dictation from a newspaper passage or editorial. So be ready for the dictation of this exercise. In June 2014, the United Nations Human Rights Council urged the Burmese government to take immediate steps to stop violence and human rights violations committed in the name of religion. Full stop. It called on the government to take all necessary measures to ensure accountability for such abuses and expedite the establishment of a UN Human Rights Office in Burma. Full stop. The British government says it is one of the biggest bilateral donors to Burma and that it will spend more than 180 million between 2011 and 2015. Full stop. The government says this money is being targeted on health, education and wealth creation, as well as humanitarian aid, Amnesty International Burma researchers said in 2012, inverted comma start, for too long Burma's human rights record has been marred by the continued denial of citizenship for Rohingyas and a host discriminatory practices against them. Full stop. It a fair demand that the government of Burma should amend or repeal the 1982 Burma citizenship law and provide Rohingya people with full citizenship in the country. Full stop. The UN High Commissioner for Refugees, the United States, Australia and the other governments and international organizations have held a string of emergency meetings to discuss possible next step. Full stop. While Burma's Muslim neighbors struggle to respond, Saudi Arabia has thrown money at the problem. Full stop. It has fallen to Turkey to act decisively by further extending its newly found benevolence to the Islamic world. Full stop. As images of the Turkish Prime Minister's wife sobbing as she witnessed the effects of the violence herself begin to be passed around online, further cementing the Rohingya cause to the long list of Muslims suffering. Full stop. Muslim prayers have bemoaned the global silence as proof of the grand conspiracy against Islam. Full stop. Yet little is being done by Muslims to actually reverse the treatment of their purported brethren themselves. Full stop. Pakistani Premier Nawaz Sharif has also set up a committee under his two foreign office aides to gauge and act to help those stuck between rock and hard place in Burma. Full stop. Looking at the Kashmiris and Palestinians, the matter of Rohingya people seems beyond statements and require remedial process and actions by Security Council of the United Nations. Full stop. The depiction of atrocities can't escape the eyes of commoners and social media, but no matter how much discomforting it may be, the deafness of the international community continues. Full stop. Had it been any other Western country, media would have hit the roof and investigating teams would be in affected areas forthwith and parliamentarians gasping to act with vigor. Full stop. But alas, the international intention always remained confined to East Timor, not Kashmir, and the extortion continues to Palestinians and the Rohingyans. Full stop. It's time that OIC, Organization of Islamic Countries, must sit down with UN and push Security Council to put an end to this ethnic cleansing, and religious onslaught, as it could be their country's next, if not checked here. Full stop. May Allah feel pity on Burmese Muslims, comma, but it is relevant question to ask as to whether United Nations in Burma, full stop.